There are 3 different keyword research tools specifically for Amazon. Elsewhere in this course, I show you how to use Amazon itself to get keyword ideas.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
And I show you how to get the Google keyword tool to get keyword ideas. These are essentially free ways. Now, there are some paid ways, and I want to show you a blog post. It's a fantastic review of 3 Kindle keyword research tools: KD Spy, KDP Rocket, and Kindle Samurai. And it has this amazing breakdown of what you can expect, the pricing, and what you get. So here's the kind of a table of a comparison of all of them, and you can read through and see what works for you. They all have, you see, money back guarantee, money back guarantee, money back guarantee. Some of them differ, and this article is a fantastic overview of all of them, and I recommend that you take a look at them in case you have a budget, or in case you're okay maybe getting your 30-day trial and then maybe getting a refund. That's okay too. It's not the most ethical things in the world, but if you are really struggling financially, this can help you. So this is an article on a page called nerdybookgirl.com/best-kindle-keyword-software. Just come here and read through this on your own. See if you want to try these tools. If you do want to spend some time with these tools, they'll help you get better keywords, and you'll be that much better off for the lifetime of your book. So it's a worthwhile investment. And if you plan to keep writing books, see, some of these are not particularly expensive, especially once you start selling, it's worthwhile. But at the same time, it isn't free. So I made sure to go over free methods in this course as well.